Hey, today, Mike in Mono. Channel premiere. Howdy. Welcome. Welcome to the channel. This is the premiere of Mike in Mono. We're glad you're here. If you're here by accident, we're grateful. Uh, just want to kind of open the floor up a little bit and let everybody know kind of what we're hoping to do here. Um, I like YouTube. That's what if I have free time, which is not a lot, that's what I do a lot of. And I like to see what people are doing and messing with and working on. To tell you a little bit about myself, I am a family man. My first priority is my family. Married, got 3 kids, 2 teenage girls, preteen boy, and by trade, I'm a mechanical contractor. So I work with heating and air conditioning, boilers, chillers, controls, energy management. Uh, I love science. Been a musician, done a little bit of everything, but my whole life I've been into science and engineering. Um, my daughter actually told me, Dad, you need to start a YouTube channel. I think people would like it. People would watch it. People would listen to you. So here we are. We're going to give it a shot. Now, over time, I want to get better at the footage and editing and making it entertaining for you guys. I have a few videos that I've just kind of laid out just placeholders to where to start. Uh, you know, I I'm into boilers. I've got a wood boiler, firewood, chainsaws, old chainsaws, Texas Chainsaw Massacre saw, um, DIY, fixing things, making things, alternative energy systems. Uh, so I hope that's something that you guys like. Um, I'm not going to be one of those huge subscribe, like, smash, hit the notification bell. But if you'd like, please subscribe. Leave a comment. If there's something that may be in the vein of the world that I've got some experience with that I can share with you, I'll be glad to do it. Um, there may be some things in the comments that someone brings up that we all want to learn about, and I ain't scared to research something that maybe I don't know a whole lot about, and I'll take a stab at it, just share information. But in general, that's kind of the gist of this channel. Like I said, I'm a full-time husband, father. I work. Um, so I'm not going to be cranking out 3, 4, 5, 6 videos a week. Um, I will try to make it valuable. If I make it, I hope it's valuable. I don't want to have mindless videos out there. Um, I think probably, I'm going to try to do maybe one every week, one every 2 weeks for now. I don't want it to get diluted, with just, it's just thin videos. I like a lot of meat and potatoes. But as we go along, I want everybody to go on this journey together. Um, there's all kinds of stuff in the world that we can learn about, and I like a lot of old ways. I'm a modern guy. I like I said, technology, but I do like old ways of doing things too. Because my daddy always told me, no matter how smart you think you are, you got to remember, son, a lot of stuff was accomplished before you were born. Uh, so yeah, I kind of like that stuff. So we're not going to really do anything like that in this video. This is just kind of a open welcome. Uh, Glad you're here. However you got here, by luck. If you want to leave a comment, like I said, things that I've got a lot of experience with, like I said, is mechanical stuff, chillers, boilers, wood boilers, pumps, controls, energy. Um, if there's anything in that vein that you'd like to see more of, or uh, things like that, put it in the comments. Say hello. We appreciate it. Um, we're starting off with an iPhone, a $10 Amazon microphone that may or may not be recording audio right now. I don't know. But we're going to try to edit this down and give you something good to look at, and maybe share something with you that was beneficial to you. I know with the millions of people that are out there in YouTube land, millions and millions, there got to be some people out there that think the way I do and are interested in the things that I am. Favorite TV show growing up was anything science. I remember I got a set of encyclopedias when I was a youngin', when I was really young, as a Christmas present, and I was so excited. Um, so I've spent my whole life looking at my world around me, asking, how does that work? I wonder if I could duplicate that. Could I make that any better? That's how my brain works, and I'm going to start off with just a few general videos of uh, some of the stuff that I do, like I said, and I got to do everything the hard way, by hand, heavy lifting, with old stuff. Uh, but I try not to be sedentary. So again, welcome. Leave us a note. Tell us something you're interested. Hopefully that I've mentioned that I'm interested in, and as long as it's viable. And I mean, if you ask about intracranial brain surgery, how does that work? Well, buddy, I'm not the one to be telling you anything about that, but we're glad you're here. Let us know your thoughts. If there's something you'd like to see along those lines, outside, DIY, boilers, energy, HVAC, even electrical. I mean, if you got any questions, I mean, I can throw out my thoughts on a lot of stuff, and they will be my thoughts, and you can take it with a grain of salt. But that's kind of the gist of this channel, and we'll see what happens. It may fall right on its face and just catch on fire immediately. But you're here. This is the first video. Glad you're here. Keep your eyes out. Hope we see you again. We'll wrap this up now because our first sponsor, I think, is going to be Deep Woods Off, because these mosquitoes is eating us up. But yeah, until next time, remember, if it ain't broke, it ain't ours. You just come back now.